as possible. Let's begin to look at them one by one. Okay, so let's start with this is corn. Let's start with corn. So on corn, the price is doing what it's doing now. You can all see it. And of course, if we are to go with technical, the price has reached kind of like a resistance, obviously. Let's look at the price here. So if we are to go technical on this one, we'll see that the price will continue to trend down. Okay, so the price reached resistance again. Sorry, not text, actually. This. The price reached resistance again, right? Obviously. So there was a resistance somewhere around there before, and the price hit it. So, and there's a retracement. So if I had to go with what we are seeing technically on the screen, corn price should be a sell. Okay, so if I started the trading corn, you should be looking to sell right now, and you could use any of the indicators, for example, moving average. It's a simple moving average that you can use to trade. Okay, so moving average, like the normal moving average, which would be, it could be 50, it could be 21, anyone, simple period 50. Okay, so let's change to 21. Since we're interested in selling, let's quickly see if we can enter as fast as possible. 21 period, like so. Okay, so we need to wait until this particular price close below. So put 21 period moving average on your chart on COM, 1 hour chart, and wait until the price close below the line. Okay, this red line. If you close below it and you're interested in trading this one, you click on sell. Okay, and of course you should be able to make some money. Now, let me quickly warn you. If you want to trade corn, you should have at least 3 million in your account. So if you're a VIP, you want to quickly, make your money as quickly as possible in the market. Corn is a way to go. And of course, if you have like, you can actually, if you have traded your account, you have made like 3 million, trade on corn, you make money. So that's for corn. And this, let's say, okay, cocoa is still loaded. I've not seen it. Wheat is loaded properly. Let's look at wheat. So for wheat price, we could use any of the indicators we have. And of course, this one gives us an opportunity to sell, but I don't think it's an ideal thing for us to sell now. I think we should wait for wheat. Of course, it's around support. That's why I said it's not good to just quickly jump in. Wheat is around support now. So we could look to buy. And looking to buy means that we have to wait for the price to give us an example of a indicator, maybe even candle, that can give us an idea of, buying or selling. So let's look at buying wheat when this candle close. If it close bullish engulfing, let me see if I can, adjust this. So if this price close bullish engulfing, okay, you could buy. And you can also use indicators like Bollinger Band to give you an idea of what I'm trying to say. So if this price close bullish, this particular one now, this particular candle, if it close bullish like so, you can actually place a buy on wheat. So I just give you an instance. So we are waiting for this candle to close. It's an hour candle. If it close bullish, you can buy wheat. And if you're trading wheat, just like corn, you should have enough money. For example, me, I cannot trade now because the money in my account is small on this particular account. So, but if you have like 3 million, 4 million, 5 million, it will go. You can actually quickly generate some money for you to, work with. That's the ideal thing to do. Trading corn and wheat is the way to go. So let me see if I can read the comment section also. Okay, somebody mentioned USDJPY. Well, if the time permits, we'll get there. So we have done corn and wheat. Let's move them away from here very fast. Corn and wheat is done and dusted. Wheat is also done and dusted. Okay, so one suggestion is if the price do well, you can sell. Wheat, if the price do well, you can buy. Okay, USD card. USD card, I'm actually looking to buy. Okay. But then I should also be looking to sell also, because on the 4 hours time frame, let me go to 4 hours for you guys on the USD card front. The USD card had done a lot in recent time. It has moved massively to the upside. So, and if it is by what I'm seeing, maybe if the price, can move up, for now, I'm still looking to buy. If the price can move up a little bit back to the angle or the range where it formed an abandoned baby. You can actually. So I'm looking to sell around this area on the USD card. But for now, you can still be looking to buy until the price get there. So on the 1 hour front, you can continue to push forward and buy. I think so. Buy still ideal on this one until the price get back to this painted region where you can now click on sell. I think the price will begin to drop from there. All right. So and that's for USD card. Let's go to D30. Somebody suggested it. So on the D30 front, the price actually did something like let me see. Wow. Okay, so there was a breakout this morning. Wow. Should we actually miss this one? But on the 1 hour front, I think it's still a good one. So I think we can still buy on this one. Let me see if we can just click on new order and still join this bandwagon. So I think D30 still provide a unique opportunity. This is the only one now that we could enter like instant execution. So I'll be buying this one this morning. And of course, I'll just click on new order buy. So if you're interested in this one, you can just join and buy. That's the one, that's the only thing I can tell you now for D30 really, or D40 as the case may be. Okay, so if you're interested in trading D40, I think buy is ideal. I just click on buy, but I think my network is very dull. So let me shift that one and look at gold. Now for gold, the price is properly loaded now. I will be looking to buy also on gold. Okay, everything points to buy. So let me just click on new order also for this one. Sorry, my network is still dull, but I think gold will also do well to push to the upside. It appears that the gold wants to push to the upside. All right, that's the way it appears. But unfortunately, I think my network is very dull today. Okay, so let me see if I can just try it again. So gold looks good to go up. D30 looks good to go up. That's the two that I've seen. And US 100, let's check. US 100, let's find out with this. US 100 had been trading to the upside in recent time. And because the market loved Trump, I think this US 100 will continue to push forward. I think so. I'm not saying you should, jump into buy now. But I think US 100 is on the way to a new high, even today. So it will continue to appreciate. That's the way I see it, the prices. And if you look at around 50 period moving average, let's see, where's that 50 period moving average? Okay, let's use this one. Let's insert 50 period moving average and check 50. Okay, so that's what I was looking for. I was looking for the last time the price came close to 50. So not quite long, I think about last week, the price came close to 50, get our support. Remember, the price don't have to touch the 50 before it get our support. But if you want to buy or sell, it must touch 50. So I think the price has gathered enough support to move to the new level, a new high. So I think US 100 will continue to push forward. So if you are on a buy, for those people that are asking for me to look at US 100, if you're on a buy and you're in profit, stick with it, right? Stay there. If you're on a sell and you're not in profit, except you have large money, you might want to close your trade and accept your loss. And if you are not on any trade on US 100, then you can wait for 1 hour chart to retrace to 50. Now, it's still bouncing very far off. Since Trump won the election, the price has moved away from this moving average on 1 hour chart. So for you to buy, if you are interested in joining the bandwagon of buyers, then you need to wait for the price to return to 50. You need to wait for the price to come back for this moving average so that you can know that the price has reached a recent support dynamically, so you can now place a buy. That's the way I see US 100. Like I said, if you're on a buy already and you're in profit, you can stick with it. You can trail your trade, it's fine. If you're on a sell and you're not in profit, close your trade and move on. If you are not on a trade and you want to join the wagon, then you wait for the price to return to 50 period moving average, either on your phone or laptop, then you can click on buy because the direction is up. That's for US 100. For D30, I just finished analyzing that one. I said should buy. I actually click on new order to buy, but the market, of my internet was doing me, I don't know. It's doing me one kind. You can see that the thing is telling me to wait. Since I placed the order, I think the market is very fast this morning. Then for the GBP USD front or GBP USD people, like I said, for the Euro USD, you might want to, consider Trump presidency and wait for the permanent direction based on CPI tomorrow. So you might want to stay off until tomorrow, except you have some, very serious indicator that you can use to, give you the money. So for this one, well, except you want to follow stochastic, I don't see any reason why you should be trading this one because there's no permanent direction for this one now. There's no clear direction for GBP USD, same as Euro USD. So you might want to stay off. Now let's go to oil. Crude oil, what I can see here is, let's quickly check with this. Okay, so what I can see here is a sell for crude oil. Remember, we have been talking about crude oil now for a while, and I told you the reason why I feel I'll be going for sell on crude oil. Okay, sell more because of the fact that the Chinese economy is beginning to migrate towards, AI and electric cars. So, crude oil will not continue to enjoy the much, price surge that we used to see during Abacha time or during Goodluck Jonathan time when the crude oil crossed successfully above $100, $120 per barrel. So you want to see crude oil settling between $70 and $50 in the recent years, in the years to come. So, or $75 and $50 in the years to come. So let's quickly continue to look for indicators that can give us an idea of sell for this one. And the one I can see on this screen now suggests a sell already. So, except you want to wait for the price to move up a little bit before you sell. So you might want to wait for the price to approach 50-period moving average, then you can sell. So if the price come in between, just put 50-period simple moving average on your chart and 21-period exponential moving average on your chart, and wait for the price to come in between the two of them, especially hit the black line, then you can sell. You should be able to make money on money for that. Okay. Let's go to the next one, very next one, which will be cocoa. I hope it's loaded. So I think I talked about wheat and corn already. So cocoa looks something like, let's check with this. This one also looks something like sell. Okay, except I want to check W1. I hope the chart is loaded properly. No. What about D1? Not even that one is loaded properly. I think I've not been opening this one for long. So I want to see if we can actually click on sell or buy. But this one looks like sell. Okay, if you have enough money like 3 million, 4 million, 5 million on your chart, on your account, you can trade on corn, trade on wheat, and you can trade on cocoa. So cocoa looks good to sell. Wheat look good to buy, and corn look good to sell. Those are the three I have for you this morning. So let's go to AUD USD. For AUD USD also, my submission for this one will also be close to what I actually gave you an idea of concerning Euro USD and GBP USD, because of course it's a currency pair. So Trump presidency will affect it, and of course CPI tomorrow will also affect it. So I think if you want to trade this one also, you might want to wait for the direction of price based on stochastic. But if it is stochastic, we are talking about this morning, there's nothing like sell now. So you have to wait for the price to give you what you want. If it is this one does not look like sell. Okay. So, and if we have to go with higher highs and higher lows, we will go like so for the higher highs and higher low and compare it to the indicator front. What the indicator was doing, what is the indicator doing here? Like a double bottom. I want to guess so. Sorry. This indicator appears to be doing double bottom. Or is it going down? Is it sloping down? Well, whether it's sloped down or double bottom, it's still the same thing, which means that you can actually still look to buy this one. So let's wait for the price to hit this line, this trend line, then we can buy. So but that's for AUD USD. So we can actually wait for buy limit around this level. Around this level will be fine. So buy limit between 0.657, write it down, and 0.656. So buy limit for AUD/USD between 0.657 and 0.656. So that's 0.6575 and 0.6565 thereabouts. Okay. Buy limit on AUD/USD between 0.6575 and 0.6565. You should be fine for buy limit on this one today. And of course, that's the only one that I can think of right now based on what the indicator is saying. Then we can go to US30 very fast. US30, US100, US500, US2000, all those D30, they look good to go up because the market loved Trump. Okay. Between 2017, the first 3 months of Trump presidency in 2017, the stock market appreciated very much. So I want to believe that the first 3 months of this Trump presidency also, the stock market, such as US100, US500, and US2000, and all those US indices will continue to appreciate also. That's the way, history normally repeats itself. Okay, so that's the way I see or what I see for US100, US30, and of course that. But the only thing I can also tell you is that if you're on a buy already, good for you. Continue to enjoy the profit coming in. If you're on a sell, close your trade and move on. If you are not on a trade at all, then you can use moving averages or even the breakout strategies to give you an idea. This one, this one was good. Maybe earlier today, you would have bought if you woke up early. Oh, sorry, Friday. So let's wait for the price to hit 50 again. Then we can click on buy. So wait for the price to come here. If you don't have a trade on it yet, then you click on buy. Remember, you put this 50-period moving average on your chart. Okay, and wait for the price to approach it. Then you can click on buy for that one. Let's go to GBP/JPY. A lot of people have been waiting for this one because this one does not involve dollar. It's a cross-currency pair. So we could look at, technical indicators to give us an idea of what to do. This one looks good to sell automatically based on what the indicator is saying. So I might want to click on new order now and click on sell. Based on what my indicator is telling me, this one looks good to sell. Okay, so instant distribution sell. Hopefully my internet will enable me to jump into the trade right now. I'm saying sell because of course the reason why we are saying that already. If you're a fan of this indicator, the price approach and broke above the red line and approach 50 and traded around it and it's giving us some bearish candle. So I think it's good enough for us to sell. It means that the price has reached resistance here. And when the price reaches resistance, you sell. It's as simple as that. So GBP/JPY looks good to sell this morning. Then US2000 finally, like I think I already mentioned this one when I was talking about US30, US100, and the rest of them. So if you're on a buy on US2000, continue to enjoy the profit. If you're on a sell, close your trade and move on. If you're not on a trade at all, look to buy. And you can look to buy with indicators like Bollinger Band, like anything. So for example, this one now, if the price retraces to the lower band, you can buy. If the price come back to this level, you can buy. All right. Then you can see it previously. It's obvious that this thing works. So if the price comes to this level, buy. Because when the price came to the level previously, like around here, if you buy, you would have made money. And of course, the same thing is repeated itself around here when the price came to that level. So anytime anything lower bound on this one will give you money or should give you money. All right. You can also see it when it did something like that here. You could have bought also. So I'm just showing you ideas of how to win with Bollinger Band. Okay. So you can see the way I'm actually mixing up a lot of indicators. So there's no way you use any indicators that you don't make money. It depends on the way you see it. So those are the things that I've been able to look at this morning. Somebody suggested USD/JPY. Because that one involves US dollar, you might want to be careful. Remember, we are looking at tomorrow finally, to get the direction of price for dollar, really, for dollar. Not just Euro USD, but for USD against other currencies. So let me wait for this particular chart to load, then we can talk about it. Let me go to the comment section for people that ask questions so that we can look at them carefully. Okay, somebody also say USD CHF. All right, so let's open the chat, see if you can attend to that. So if you have questions, now it's time for you to post it. You can post your questions, and shortly I'll be opening the channel for somebody to talk to me, maybe one person. But if you have a question on what we have analyzed, raise up your hand or you drop the questions in the comment section. I'll look at it and attend to it very fast. Anybody? Questions? Type for questions, post it. Let me look at it. Post your questions now. Then I can look at it. Post your question now. Then I can look at it. Okay, so let me look at the trade that we have already. So I've placed some trade this morning already. Some of them are in profit, some of them are not yet in profit. Okay, so let me see the one in profit already. Let me express the profit in form of money that I deposited. So only the what do you call it? Only the D30 is in profit yet. The gold is not yet in profit, and the JPY is not yet in profit. But of course, the D30 is in profit. So that's the only trade that I've been able to take this morning. Excuse me. So let's go to USD JPY and USD CHF. So the USD JPY front looks good to, Japanese yen has been a very funny currency for a while now. So I want to believe that this one will continue to appreciate. I want to believe so. Unlike Euro USD, Euro is very strong compared to Japanese yen, right? So let's begin to look to buy USD JPY also. The same thing with USD CHF. We continue to look to buy on those two. So if you have those two on your chart, look to buy, look to buy, look to buy, look to buy, look to buy. How many did I repeat that? Look to buy USD CHF, look to buy USD JPY, look to buy those two. All right. So let me look at the question somebody posted. Oh, he's only praying for me, Ego. God bless you too. Not just me. God bless you, Ego. God bless all of us, in Nigeria. God bless the whole world. Okay, I don't know if God will be able to do that. But of course, God is a God of wonder. He should be able to play. He already blessed the whole world. It's for us to just take advantage of the opportunity given to us individually and collectively. We can make the world a better place to live. So I'm going to be opening the channel now. I want to hear the voice of at least one person. I like that when I hear your voice. So you want to talk to me, you raise your voice. Sorry, you raise your hand. And then I'll allow only one person to talk to me this morning, very fast. Who is going first? Who is going first? And if nobody is talking to me, then we can call it a day. I want you to go on and succeed today. Okay, and Abigail Onoha. Oh yeah, Abigail, what do you want to say? Go ahead and talk to me. Just open your microphone and talk.
Good morning, everyone.
Onoha.
Good
Is it
morning,
Onoha or Onoha?
Mr. Olusegun. Thank you.
Your internet is skipping. Your internet is skipping.
Sorry?
Your internet is skipping.
I said good morning. Good morning. I'm greeting everybody. I'm greeting you.
Okay, good morning. Onoha. Oh, yeah,
It's breaking. Oh, sorry.
You saw what?
That's sorry. Can you hear me now?
I can hear you.
Okay, good morning. Sorry, I asked a question. How I can be able to...
Is it the internet here or is it general? Is the internet very good? Joshua?
How I can be able to set the Bolinga. Oh my. The Bolinga.
I really can't hear how.
How can I be able to set it on my phone? I asked a question about on
I
it,
have to stop
but
now.
it didn't
I can't really
see
hear. Can you hear her?
a message
Internet is
I
also.
typed.
Onoha, I can't hear you, so I want to apologize for. I'm going to cut you off because I cannot really hear your question. So what I wanted to do, Onoha, is to post your question to me. Just type it and send. I want to attend to it specifically because you try to call, but the internet from my end, I want to guess it from my end. It's not too good. So post your questions. If you can hear me, I'll look at it. So somebody says he made a withdrawal since on when? since on the 16th of October and yet to receive his fund. Well, Obasanjo, well, I want to believe, right, that the problem is from the bank. Okay, that's what I want to believe, because normally when you make a withdrawal, it's between 24 48 hours, you get your money. So if it is bank issues, then Rally Trade is working hand in hand with GTB now, especially to see that the money, is, to everybody that actually posted. But because you posted your email, I'm going to take it personally. I'm going to take it personal and send to your account manager, who I hope will be able to, look into it specifically for you and attend to you particularly. So Obasanjo, no worry. You will get your money very fast. All right. Okay. You also need to make some more withdrawals, but you are skeptical. Don't be skeptical. Post your withdrawals. I need your assistance, of course. I just promise I will assist you. So somebody, Kelechi will say, cannot hear me. I don't know what happened, Kelechi. You should be able to hear me. You should be able to. So she wants to know how to set Bollinger Band on her phone. Wow. Well, if it is that one, you click on, I don't have my phone with me here. I would have, what do I say? I would have posted my screen of phone on I would have posted my screen, like the screen of my phone for you to see. Then you can be able to share, or even use your Bollinger Band. That's to Abigail Onoha. Somebody, Neil, drop a message to me that maybe Neil was able to hear her properly, that she wants to know how to set Bollinger Band on her phone. So if you can hear me, let me just give you like 1 minute shortcut to it. Write it down. So on your phone screen, take it to chat page where you can see all the candles. That's number one. Then you tap your screen once, you see a blue circle. That's the fastest way to do it. That blue circle you see, depending on whether you are using Android. I want to believe you are using Android, so I will use Android to explain. So the blue circle you see, look for F. You click on it. When you get the F, you scroll down and you see your chat page. Okay, you will see option for main chat. So, or some chat. So you use the one for main chat and then you click on F plus on that main chat. When you click on F plus is to add indicator to chat. Then when you click on F plus, scroll down under trend, pick moving average. When you pick moving average, to ask you for parameters. So the one you want to use depends on your mood of trading, but I think the least you should use is 21 period. So you type 20, if you see 10 there, it's default. So remove 10 and put 21. And then when you put 21, change the color to the color you fancy on your chart. And then you also, the after 21 period, the shift is 0. I think I'm just reading this from my head. The shift is 0. So, and of course, the pixel, you can just use 3 so that it can be thick and then you can see it properly. Then you click on OK, then you click on done. When you click on done on top, and automatically it should take you back to your chart. Then you'll be able to see moving average on your chart. Oh, sorry, I think it's Bollinger Band she's talking about. Okay. Now, if it is Bollinger Band you want to do, and you want only Bollinger Band to appear on your screen, again, tap your screen once, click on F. When you click on F, it takes you to a page where you can click on F plus. That's on that main chart. But before you do F plus, it is possible that you have other indicators on your screen. So if you have other indicators, it might disturb your Bollinger Band. So what you want to do is to click on dustbin. Dustbin will be on top right. When you click on dustbin, you see some boxes on the front or in the front of those indicators you have. Tick on the boxes you have and click on dustbin again to delete. Now, normally you should be default back to your page now, and then you can click on the screen once again, tap on F plus. Sorry, tap on F, and we go to the F page, which is the indicator page. You can now click on F plus. Then when you get to F plus, on that trend, you see Bollinger Band. You should see it. When you see Bollinger Band, it's going to be default. You are going to use default value, so you don't need to worry about changing any value on Bollinger Band. Just click on done, and then automatically your screen is going to default back to your chat screen, and you should be able to see Bollinger Band on your screen, and then you can use it. Okay, buy around lower band, sell around upper band. Of course, it has some meanings you can read. Okay, for example, you can also use candles around it. Bearish engulfing candle for the upside, bullish engulfing candle for the downside. If you see bullish engulfing candle around the lower band, you can buy. If you see bearish engulfing candle around the upper band, you can sell. That's the simplest using Bollinger Band. Of course, you can use it on your demo account, all right? You can try it on your demo account. So I want to believe that Onoha, if you can hear me, that you'll be able to do that on your own. Otherwise, you can just message me on my phone. My phone number remains the same 090-2039-8739. So I'll be hearing particularly from you, Noah, that you have been able to do it, right? So I'll be able to say hallelujah. All right. So Arikewuyo. No, sorry. Don't let me spoil your name. Your name is Arikewuyo. And of course, maybe that's your surname, Abdul Quadri. Is that your name? I don't want to spell Abdul Quadri. That's not Nigerian name. But Arikewuyo is Nigerian, 100% Yoruba. So, sir, I deposited it Saturday and it's still pending on my account. Well, it will be credited today, hopefully. Rally account and my account manager is not attending to me over the. So you can send me your email also personally. Send it to my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp is 090-2039-8739. I'll look at it and of course I'll attend to you. So do Rally Trade have WhatsApp group? Well, I think so. WhatsApp channel, not group, WhatsApp channel. Okay. The only group we have is Telegram group, right? So check us on Telegram. You will talk to us. So that's it today. It's 8:59. A lot of people are still raising their hand. For example, Lovey E. What do you have to say, Lovey E? Maybe I can hear you.
Yeah, good morning, sir, and thank you.
You're welcome.
For the opportunity. I actually want to just ask a quick one. The swap I see on your trade, on your open trade, what does it really mean?
Swap means that I opened the trade maybe on Friday or Thursday, this particular one you're looking at on Euro USD. Yeah. And of course, I was charged overnight. Now, the idea is this. The idea of swap is the central bank in Europe, which is the European Central Bank, has a rate. The central bank in US, which is the Federal Reserve, has a rate. That's their Federal Reserve funds rate. And then the ECB rate, okay? Just like you have CBN rates also. Now, if the rate of a particular country is higher than the rate of another country, and you are buying their currency, okay, then you'll be paying some charges. If the rate is lower and you are buying their currency, you'll be paid some money. So if for example, that's overnight, it's not like when you place a trade, they are going to charge you. If you leave your trade overnight, they are going to charge you overnight trade, just like you have overnight trades in Nigeria, like if not central bank now, if GTB, for example, wants to borrow money from Zenith Bank overnight, okay, maybe international trade stuff, okay, and they go through CBN. Now, CBN will have what they call overnight trades. So once they borrow that money, CBN will charge GTB the rate, and of course, credit Zenith Bank the interest. So that's the way it is. So but it's overnight. So if I leave my trade overnight, I should know that I'm going to pay charges. Now, that charges is actually, in conjunction with broker. And of course, broker has some percentage of it. The market also has some percentage of it. Yeah. Any other question?
No. So it just means that, so for you to make profit on that particular trade that is running, it means you need to, so you have to clear the swap and also and to make enough profit, right?
Yes. So first of all, for me to make money on this particular USD trade that I'm pointing to now, first of all, that my 10,000 must reduce to 0. Then it must go to plus like 500 naira first. Yes, then maybe at 600 naira, I'll now begin to see like 100 naira profit and all that.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you very much.
Swap work. If you don't want to be charged swap, you close your trade before night or before 10 p.m.
Okay. Before 10 p.m. Nigeria. West African.
Today, you must close it before 9 p.m. or 9:30 p.m. Nigeria time. Then you don't be charged.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you. It's clear now. Thank you, sir.
This is your name, Seth. It's very funny. Lovely. All right. So thank you very much, everybody. It's already 9 o'clock. I want to see if I can attend to more questions that are typed. All right. So your phone number, my phone number again is 090-2039-8739. I hope you got that. Now, and of course, I want to thank you all again. And of course, I'll see you another time that I'm here. But don't forget that tomorrow, same time, 8 o'clock, another analyst will be in the house to do justice to this training. I appreciate you all. Bye-bye.